I have RAZER Phone, and let me show you how to add the Google account on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings. Here you need to choose the users and accounts, tap add account, and here you can add the following accounts: the RAZER account, the personal Gmail account, the simple Google account, or some duo account. Let me use the Google one. As I said before, the phone is checking info. It's important to have the internet access, and here you can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that blue link, or you may use the existing Google account. Let me use the existing one. So let's enter the email, tap next. Let me correct my email. Alright, choose next. It's time to enter the password. Choose next again. And tap I agree to the terms and conditions. Alright, here let me leave backup to Google Drive enabled in my case and choose agree. That's it, you just add your Google account, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.